Folks, when you're outside of the grocery stores and the malls, you're walking on the street, you gotta have your 3, 9, 6. Keep your backpack on your front, because you never know if you can get jacked. All right, folks, I am solo in Ceylon Cavite today. I've been dropped off at the Walter Mart. I got a free adjustment for my prescription glasses. I thought they were going to charge me. No. And they did a really good job. They're in my bag here. Killer job. That would have cost like money somewhere else. I'm going to go try and find a bite to eat. Stay out of that. I might go to McDonald's. I don't know. I gotta wait. This traffic here is weird. So I gotta make sure I'm not gonna get hit by a car, bus, truck, or jeepney or tricycle. Let me cross the street. Okay, now that I have successfully crossed the street, we were just over here last week. We had that Japanese food. I'm not gonna do that again because I'm dining by myself. I'm a little hungry. Do I get mall food? I don't know. Here we go. Okay, so solo white man ended up at the Army Navy. Army Navy. It's a restaurant. I went here once before, and I saw it countless times on YouTube. I, all by myself, like a big boy, ordered the crispy Chipotle chicken sandwich, onion rings, and a Coca-Cola. Hopefully it's good. I'm sure it will be. I have not heard any complaints about this place. I'm rambling. I think after this I'm going to go back to the mall and walk around for a little bit, maybe get another snack, and then probably just go back to the apartment. What an exciting video this is, right? Wow.
Now, like I said, that line in Pulp Fiction, the Kahuna burger. You go, no, that's a good burger. No, it's alright. Pretty tasty. The onion rings, they taste like onion rings, but they're not special onion rings. They're cheap onion rings. But the burger's good. It's grilled. There's some barbecue sauce and mayonnaise on the bottom. They put onion rings in it, but that adds to it. Slice of lettuce on the top. Can't go wrong for 525 Philippine pesos. Watch my hand get in the way here.
Now, folks, for solo man in Ceylon at the Army Navy, that hit the spot. So it's not too hot out because there's some overcast. Now, white men go back to mall and wander around, try to find something to spend some money on. I don't know. Then I'm going to take a tricycle back to the apartment. If you watch this long, thanks for sticking around during this action-packed video. Now, folks, when you're outside of the grocery stores and the malls, you're walking on the street, you gotta have your 3, 9, 6. Keep your backpack on your front, because you never know if you can get jacked. I'm in the corner of the grocery store here that's inside the mall, because I had to get some kitty food for the morning. His name's Loki. It's Karina's sister's cat, but she dropped him off with us, so we have a house cat. Cute kitty. Anyways, after this, I'm going to hop on a tricycle and get the hell out of here. Folks, I successfully made it safely back to the compound. I couldn't record that whole ride back because the driver was nuts, like Mr. Toad's Wild Ride at Disneyland. But the other guys at the trike station warned me, hold on tight. This guy drives like a madman. Folks, this video right here, I believe, defines the name of my channel, Sean's Amazing Adventures, because I truly had a quick couple-hour amazing adventure all by myself today like a big boy. Folks, thanks for sticking around. Until next time, see you.